Alright guys, getting ready for my second ride. It's a little windy, but it's nowhere near 30 degrees. I think it's about 43 or something like that. But I want to take another cruise with the Jetson. Okay, we're out on the second ride on the Jetson. The snow is melting. Now it's about, like I said, about 43. So it's a heck of a lot nicer than the first ride, which was at 30. It was at 30 degrees. I'm just trying to avoid some of these slick spots. Brr. I'm actually leaving this mask on because it's actually keeping me warm. We're going to go over here to Laurel Village. That's the apartment place next to us. Oh yeah, 43 is way nicer than 30. I can assure you of that. Okay, so I've been cruising for a little bit here, 5 minutes. I still got the 4 bars on the battery. I think I want to raise the seat up a little higher. Oh, they fixed the stop sign from the guy whacking it, knocking it over. So that's a good thing. Okay, so here's where I'm going to be coming out tomorrow, or whatever day that is. I'm going to be coming over here and flying the Skydio with the bike. I'm going to be doing that over here. So that's going to be cool. I'm going to see how it acts around these poles over here. And see if it dodges the poles. You know, like it did over there at Pioneer Park. Where it wouldn't run into me or the building or whatever. So we're going to try that out. But there's really not that many obstacles over here. What I like about over here is it doesn't have any it doesn't have any phone lines or anything like that, you know. Oh, look at Charlie. Charlie wants to snuggle, I think. You look like you got Charlie pretty far away from the house. Huh? Charlie, yeah, he looks like he's getting pretty healthy.
Yeah.
Look at this baby.
Yeah, he's just turned 2.
Did he? He's 2 years old already. Wow. This poor baby. Oh, he loves him some snuggle. That's for sure. He don't want me to leave. He don't want me to leave. He wants me to stay. See you later. Yeah, I think I need to raise the seat up a little hair. This thing scoots good, man. I love it. I love this thing. This thing is so easy to get out and get going. You know what I mean? I mean, I don't care about how fast it goes. It's just easy to... It's like the Mini. It's like the Mavic Mini. Easy to deploy. You know, this is an easy thing to get out of the house and get going with. You know what I mean? So... Hello. Hi, baby.
Chat good.
You know, with this thing, it really doesn't pay for you to pedal after you get going at top speed, because it doesn't do anything. Okay, once you're going top speed, pedaling, it's just like nothing's happening. You know, it's not, there's no inertia being pushed once you're going top speed on this pedaling. The pedaling is only good for when you're, you know, that's only good for when you're first starting out. But it doesn't do anything after that, you know. So All right, so I just wanted to get another ride in with it. It's fantastic. I love it. I tell you what, it's got some damn good brakes on it. It's got disc brakes, and they're damn good too. I mean, they stop great. Alright guys, there you go, second ride. Now, I drove that around for however long I did, and it still got 4 bars on the battery. None of the battery went down any, so. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later.